Dear students, we have already studied in the chapter The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. We have already studied about the characters Aram and Murad, their beautiful horse, and the family they belong to, that is Gregorian family. Today we will study more about the crazy streak of the family. Murad was considered the craziest member of the family. Considered, thought. Everybody considered him crazy, we have already read. So Murad was considered the craziest member. He was thought that he was the mad member of the family, according to the narrator. Narrator here is Aram, his cousin. Every family had a crazy streak. In every family, some mad person is there. Mad here means the person who is strict to his words, that he is not flexible. Murad was considered the natural inheritor of the crazy streak of their tribe, and Murad was considered the mad person, but this characteristic is inherited from the family. Before him was their uncle Khusro. Before him, his uncle Khusro was also called the craziest member. उन्हें भी mad person बोला जाता था. And how was the physical description of Uncle Khusro was given here? An enormous man, enormous, big. He's a big man, well-built body. He had a powerful head of black hair. Big head and black hair are there, and the largest mustache in the valley. His mustaches are very long. He had a furious and irritable temper. His nature was very angry and he can be easily irritated. तो उनको बहुत गुस्सा आ जाता था और जल्दी से इरिटेट हो जाते थे. He was so impatient that he stopped anyone from talking by roaring. Roaring, shouting loudly. And he can stop anybody by shouting or talking loudly. चिल्लाकर वो किसी को भी रोक सकते थे. He was so impatient. Patience थी ही नहीं, धैर्य नहीं था उनमें. It is no harm, pay no attention to it. He shouts loudly that it is no harm, pay no attention to it, and he stopped talking the person in front of him. उनके सामने जो भी पर्सन होता था जोर से चिल्लाकर बोलते थे, इसमें कोई नुकसान नहीं है, कोई ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Once his own son Arak came running to him, तो एक बार उन्हीं का अपना बेटा अंकल खुसरो का भागता हुआ आया and told him that their house was on fire, कि उनके घर पर आग लग गई है. खुसरो roared. He shouted, it is no harm, pay no attention to it. He shouted that no need to pay attention to it. Murad was considered to be his natural descendant. Murad was considered that he was the son of this Uncle Khusro. जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कि फैमिली में ये चाचा पे गया है या किसी फैमिली मेम्बर से नेचर या फीचर्स मिलते हैं. Although his father Zorab was practical and nothing else. एक्चुअल में मुराद के फादर ज़ोराब थे, who was very practical man, very nice man, nothing else. Now they have started riding on the horse. In the previous lecture I have already told you that we will talk about their ride on the horse. Aram rides the horse alone. At last Murad said that he wanted to ride alone. Murad ने बोला that he want to ride alone. Earlier they were riding both on the back of the horse, but now he decided to ride alone. Aram also wanted to ride the horse, and Murad was not sure. He wanted to Aram also wanted to ride alone, but Murad was not sure that he can handle a horse or not. Aram said that the horse would let him ride. Murad said that it is up to horse that it will allow you to ride or not, and Aram make it sure that horse would let him ride. Murad said that was up to the horse. Murad could easily ride the horse because he had a way with the horse. Murad easily handled the horse and he comfortably ride on the horse alone. After Murad rode the horse alone, when riding हो गई उसकी अकेले से, it was Aram's turn. Now it was the turn of Aram. Aram leaped onto the back of the horse. Leaped here, jumped. Aram jumped on the horse of the back and for a moment felt a fear like no other. So when the person rides something, vehicle or animal, so fear came to him or them. So Murad felt fear. He kicked into the muscles of the horse. He pushed the back part of his foot on the muscles of the horse, into the muscles of the horse. The horse again reared and snorted. When Murad rode the horse, he did the same thing, and horse took his front legs in the air and it started snorting. Snorting is the sound of horse, हिनहिनाना जिसे बोलते हैं. It started leaping over the vine and it started jumping on the vines. Vines बेलों के ऊपर बेलें खानी स्टार्ट कर दी उसने. It leaped over 7 vines. The horse had eaten 7 vines and then Aram fell. And Aram fell from the horse, but the horse kept running. It started running without the rider. The horse got lost, but Murad found it. Horse was lost and Murad tried to find it and he found the horse. The boys decided to hide the horse. It was morning. Murad was thinking either to take the horse back or hide it until the next morning. From the sound of the sings, Aram concluded that Murad was going to hide it. So both decided that they will ride on the horse daily. So until next morning they will hide it. इसको छिपा देते हैं. And he got the idea. Aram got the idea. Definitely Murad will hide the horse. Aram again asked Murad when he had stolen the horse. He questioned that when he had stolen, Murad replied that he never stole the horse. Again he refused. Earlier he also refused. He told Aram to tell everyone that they started riding the horse that very morning if someone found it. So they decided once they found that they have riding on the horse, what they will tell to the others, the common answer will be that today we have started the riding the horse. So दोनों ने डिसाइड कर लिया अगर हम पकड़े गए तो एक ही आंसर रहेगा कि हम बोलेंगे कि हमने आज से ही घुड़सवारी शुरू की है. वो कभी भी जब भी वो पकड़े गए तब आंसर कॉमन रहेगा ताकि झूठ पकड़ा ना जाए. They took the horse to the deserted vineyard of the farmer named Fitzwilliam. हॉर्स को वो एक डेजर्टेड वाइनयार्ड, एक फार्म हाउस में ले गए. दैट वाज डेजर्टेड, लोनली था फार्मर फिट्जवेन का. एंड हिड इट इनटू द बैरन. तो वहाँ पर हॉर्स के एनिमल्स को जहाँ बांधा जाता है, दे टाइड द हॉर्स देयर. Murad told Aram that it was not easy to get the horse to behave so nicely. So Murad actually trying to teach Aram, उसको सिखाना चाहता है कि घोड़ों को हैंडल करना इजी नहीं है जिस तरह से ये नाइसली बिहेव कर रहा है. बट सिंस ही हैड अ वे विद द हॉर्सेस, बिकॉज Murad had way to handle the horses, he developed an understanding with it. So Murad had developed the understanding with the horses. After that, Aram informs Murad about Byrow. John Byrow is the farmer whose horse had been lost. Aram went to Murad. He found him treating the found him that he was treating the hurt wing of the young robin. This is the characteristic of Murad, that he loves the animals. He loved horses, he loved birds. He was repairing the injured wing of robin bird. Aram informed him about Byrow's visit. Aram told him that Mr. John Byrow came to our house. He further informed Murad that he should not return the horse until he learned to ride. Aram also informed him that not to return the horse back as he wants to learn riding. Murad replied that it would take him a year to learn. Murad informed him that it will take time to learn, minimum 1 year. Finally, they decided to return it after 6 months. They decided that they will not return the horse at least 6 months. दोनों 6 महीने तक नहीं रिटर्न करेंगे. Every morning for 2 weeks, for 15 days almost, they rode the horse. Every time the horse threw Aram and ran away. Every time Murad successfully rode on the horse and took a good ride, and when the turn came of Aram always fell down as he was younger. He did not know how to handle the horse properly. One morning, they were on their way to the vineyard when they encountered John Byrow, the farmer who came to Aram's house and farmer who lost the horse. When they were coming back from the riding, they met in a farm farmer John Byrow. He inquired about the name of the horse. Farmer John Byrow asked Murad that tell me the name of the horse, and confidently Murad said that in Armenian language that the name of the horse is My Heart. The boys decided to return the horse. The farmer looked into the horse's mouth and found that teeth matched those of his stolen horse. It is if you want to judge the horses, their teeth were checked. So farmer checked the teeth of horse, and the teeth of the horse resembles the farmer's horse teeth. So he said that he could swear. Swear means that he can take pledge. वो कसम खा सकता है that the horse was his, कि घोड़ा उसका अपना है. If he did not know their parents, अगर उसको इन दोनों के पेरेंट्स के बारे में ना पता होता. The fame of their family for honesty as well was well known to him, and he knew about the honesty of their family. So he could not ask that horse was his. So he believed that the horse belongs to Aram and Murad. Early the following morning, they took the horse to John Byrow's vineyard. Next day, they decided to return the horse. The dogs followed them silently. Aram thought they would bark. Dogs पीछे पीछे चुपचाप आने लगे. Aram thought that they would bark. Murad said that he had a way with dogs, and that's why they did not bark. Murad explained that the way he was having with horses, also he had the way to handle the dogs. That's why they are not barking. Murad pressed horse nose into his nose into horse nose. The horse and Murad pressed the nose with each other, patted it. Murad patted horse back, and then they went away. Then they means here Aram and Murad. That very afternoon, John Byro came to narrator's house. Narrator here, again John Byro, farmer John Byro came to narrator's house. He was very happy because he got his horse again back. His horse had become stronger and better tempered, and he said that the horse, whenever the horse came back, he was stronger and he was very good tempered. So they returned the horse back to farmer John Byro. Thank you.